12.
Yes! Exact
Last
12,
20
guys.
minutes.
20 minutes na lang. Humabol na everyone.
Wala kayong lahat, guys. Habol, check out na everyone. Habol, check out, guys.
Wala nang sale tomorrow, everybody. Hindi na ganyan kababa yung
Yes, guys. Again, guys.
Go na, guys.
Sale na in 3.
2, 1, check out agad!
Check out everyone.
natin na.
Go na, guys. I-check out nyo na yan, guys. Again, and live na kami.
Anong color ng pants mo, babe?
Guys, I'm wearing medium wash, guys. Medium wash. Size extra small. Size extra small.
Yes.
Next.
Okay, babe, I'm wearing ivory, babe. Size extra small. Again, babe, ivory, size extra small. Waistline 24. Yung size ng hips ko is 33. And my height is 5. Perfect!
Next.
And then, guys, I'm wearing, everyone, vintage, and extra small. Waist size is 23 to 24, guys. And my height is 5'3", pero for tonight, 5'5".
Okay, guys, I'm wearing light wash. Height ko 5'5". Waistline ko 26 to 27. I'm wearing size small.
Okay, ano ba questions nyo, guys? Dali.
Go! Mag-comment na kayo dyan ang masagot agad namin.
Yes, guys.
Last 1 minute na lang. Mag-check out na kayo, guys. Habol, check out everyone, guys. Baka ito na yung last sale natin sa lowest price ngayong gabi. Sige na, guys, kasi mag-end na kami ng live later ng guys.
Tomorrow 1,000 for 1,400 plus.
Guys, wala tayo ka. Yes, wala tayo.
Wala tayong live tomorrow, guys. Kaya make sure na nakapag-check out na kayo, guys. Kasi hindi nyo na talaga yung mababawi, everyone. Kapag wala talaga, guys.
Yes.
Guys, 30 seconds, everyone!
Guys, saka yung price for exclusive yung payday sale, ngayon lang talaga yan. Yung ganyan
1,400 plus na yan tomorrow.
Yes. And guys, wala pang live. Wala pang live.
So, original
So,
price
walang
talaga,
side,
babe. Okay,
yes.
again, babe, walang live tomorrow. Original price niya yung mati-check out. Again, babe, mag-check out na kayo ngayon na mismo. Huwag nyo na ipabukas kaya sa isang araw kailanman. Ngayon mismo, as in.
Yes, guys! Guys, mag-check out na kayo ng ating Ayan, end na yung flash sale, guys. End na yung flash sale.
Guys, yes, and then na rin to be exact 12. So, go na, guys.
Ayan, ano na, wala. Guys, comment nyo more. Last. Comment last. Last, guys. Kasi naka-last sale na to, guys. Mag-comment nyo kayo kung gusto nyo i-save ulit yung or mag-sale ulit yung pants, guys. Kasi alam ko naman, guys, na matagal siyang listay.
Comment, babe! Comment! Comment last!
Comment last. Eh, buong set nyo yung last, guys.
Yes, guys, deserve nyo lahat makakuha ng pants kasi di ba? Tayo nyo na ng
Last, guys. Ayan, sige, guys. Malapit na kaming mag-end ng
Baby, most send nyo yung last. Most send, guys! Most
Last lang, guys. Last. Most send, guys. Last sale.
Babe, kaya yan. Okay,
Tagal, di makapagpasing.
everyone, again, ha? Guys, ayan, naka-most send na yung last.
Guys, ayan, sige, go. I-comment nyo lang para mabasa nyo.
Ito siya, guys. Si Vintage, everyone. This is Vintage, guys. Okay, flex natin all